Man, so this dude freaking followed me all the way out to the shed, chased me over here. Figured he'd have left me alone since he's just waiting for me to turn around. Damn. Just trying to put this battery back in the freaking lawnmower. Sucker. So anyway, here's what we got going on. This battery, every time we run the lawnmower, battery dies. I've changed the alternator out on it. I can't seem to find a regulator. It's in the engine diagram. It says that the regulator is mounted like right here on this model lawnmower, but this one doesn't seem to have one. So I don't know if it's missing a regulator or what, but the battery doesn't charge when it's being run. So anybody have any ideas? Let me know. Like I said, brand new alternator or generator installed. Same issue. You run it, battery dies. You got to recharge the battery if you want to run the lawnmower again. All right, Cletus finally took off. Jeez, I can do something now.